Intro scene. Visuals, cinematic shots of the Porsche 992 GT3 on a winding road, engine roaring, close-ups of its aggressive design. Host. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, the Porsche 992 GT3. This isn't just another 911, this is a track-focused beast with road-legal credentials. Buckle up as we dive deep into what makes this machine one of the finest performance cars on the planet. Design and aerodynamics. Visuals, slow-motion shots of the car's front, side, and rear, emphasis on aero components. Host. Let's start with the design. The 992 GT3 looks aggressive from every angle. Porsche has reworked the aerodynamics significantly, and you can see that in the massive swan neck rear wing, functional vents, and a reworked front splitter. That wing alone provides incredible downforce, ensuring the GT3 sticks to the road at high speeds. Engine and performance. Visuals, hood opening to reveal the 4.0L flat-6, engine revs, on-track performance footage. Host. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The heart of the GT3 is a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-6 producing 502 horsepower and revving all the way to 9,000 RPM. That's music to any car enthusiast's ears. And the best part, it's paired with either a lightning quick PDK dual clutch transmission or a 6-speed manual for the purists. Handling and chassis. Visuals, POV driving footage, in-car shots of steering inputs, suspension components. Host. Porsche has fine-tuned the suspension for ultimate precision. For the first time ever, the GT3 gets a double wishbone front suspension technology derived straight from Porsche's racing heritage. The result: unbelievable cornering stability and razor-sharp handling. It feels like a race car for the streets, responding to every input with perfection. Interior and tech. Visuals, inside the cabin, Alcantara steering wheel, bucket seats, infotainment system. Host. Inside, the GT3 is all about function over form. You get lightweight carbon bucket seats, an Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, and a simplified, driver-focused dashboard. The gauge cluster features an analog tachometer at the center, reminding you that this car is all about pure driving pleasure. But don't worry, Porsche hasn't skimped on tech. You still get a modern infotainment system and Apple CarPlay. Track performance and driving experience. Visuals, on-track action, lap times, driver reactions. Host. But where the GT3 truly shines is on the track. It delivers mind-blowing grip, incredible braking performance, and an intoxicating sound that keeps you coming back for more. The steering is communicative, the chassis is perfectly balanced, and every drive is an adrenaline rush. This is Porsche's engineering at its finest. Conclusion. Visuals, final glamour shots, rolling footage at sunset. Host. So, is the Porsche 992 GT3 the ultimate driver's car? If you love pure, unfiltered performance with race-bred technology, this might just be the perfect machine for you. Let us know in the comments what you think about the GT3. Would you pick it over the competition? And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay fast. Outro scene. Visuals, montage of the GT3 in action, engine revs, and fade out.